Okay, here now with Ed Sarky. He's the Vice President of Sales for Anthony Products. Ed, what are some of the new things that you guys are excited about for 2024?
Well, a couple of things that we've done in the near future is we have our new construction grade firewall carts that's newer. Also our MCR modular cylinder racks. We've come up with a construction grade on those as well. So those, besides some of the asset products that categories that we're doing, those are the two main things that we've come up with for 2024.
All right, very good. What might be something that sets you guys apart from some of your competition?
One of the big things is Anthony's very nimble with, getting the orders in. We've gone to robotics on some of our products. The big thing is we have two facilities. We have one in the south, and then we have one on the west coast. And with that, as I mentioned, we're very nimble. We have the opportunity to get orders out rather quick. So that's one of the big things that separate us.
All right, very good. And maybe some of the members that didn't make it here today, you guys brought a bunch of stuff. Let's go through the booth and see some of these big ticket items that you guys brought with you.
Right here is the big cradle that we do for in the manifolds, and then also we have a new pallet that we've come out with that we're introducing that does have a ramp on it that has been very popular, and a lot of the distributors are coming through and really like the idea of that.
Very good. What I remember, they come in a bunch of different sizes, but what are the sizes?
Yeah, the standard sizes are 6, 12, and 16 pack cradles and manifolds. So we also have the different options. You have the flex tails, stainless steel flex tail on the manifolds, and you have the rigid copper.
Very good. Well, there's a quick update here from Anthony. Shout out to the Salvucci's at home, Frank, LC, Jillian, Mackenzie. What's up, guys? Always good to see Ed, Nick, Joey at the shows. You guys are huge supporters of GAWDA, so we really appreciate everything that you guys do for us each and every year. So, check out Anthony when you get a chance.
We appreciate what GAWDA does for us as well.
Awesome. Thank you, Ed.
Thank you.